Okay, it says low network connection available. Hi everybody. Saturday afternoon over here. We are cleaning up a storm. It's raining outside and we're feeling super nesty. And I got really excited because Jaxon, for the first time in a while, is up for organizing his treasures. So I thought it would be a really good opportunity to show you live how it all goes down. So bear with me with the camera work, if you will. We're using our Legos to hold the camera.
My Legos.
Jaxon made a Lego holder. So here we go. Let's see how we can do this though, because I want to show you all the Steadicam. I want to show you the treasures. We started it already before I before I turned this on. But here's one cube. He has one of those IKEA things that everybody and their mother has. I don't think my mother has one though. Your mother does.
I'm the son of an organizer, but I'm not organized.
Yes, you are. That's cute. Okay, that's the one, and that's the other. It's a little bit dark, but we have lots and lots of treasures in there.
I'll get more light.
Okay, I'm gonna go. We don't have the light right now. It's okay. So we have, what do we have? Category. This is how it works. This is how it all goes down. We're gonna pull everything out. We're also gonna clean up underneath there because it's super dusty. So we're gonna get, what do we got, Jaxon? We've got rocks.
We're just cleaning the whole house right now.
We are cleaning the whole house. We've got rocks. We've got shells. We've got coins.
Look at Chaka.
We've got bones. We've got little sweet treasure kitty treasures. Meow. Hi, Karen.
Look at Chaka. Look at Chaka.
So we're organizing Jaxon's little treasures today here. So he's going to make some decisions. What we're going to do is pull things out, categorize them. So I'm just putting them here on the floor. I think I'll pull it out a little bit so you can see. And then he's going to make some decisions. He might want to keep everything. I'm cool with that. But it's up to him at this point because, frankly speaking, he knows now if I take things away. So I've got bones, lots of bones actually. Jaxon's school does a lot of hiking, and so they find lots of bones.
True.
Okay, so we've got all the things here. Are these keeper?
I think you can get rid of it.
You think these can go? Okay, good. So the ones that can go, I'm going to put over on the other side.
Bones.
Bones, more bones.
From an
This
owl
is an
palette.
owl palette bones. Okay. What else do we got here? You help me. You pull things out too. So here's more rocks. Rocks with the rocks. There's more rocks.
Oh, wow, this is cool.
Okay. What about this, bud? This is like a wax form.
Yeah, that I made in first grade.
First grade. That'll keep.
Scary.
Do you want to keep it? You can keep it. You can think about
I don't
it.
know.
Okay. You want to think about it. We also have like fake money, which is also kind of fun. Fuzzy fake money. Okay. More rocks. I think these are like chopstick holders, but they're kind of cute, little ceramic things. So you're actually use the space here, so everything doesn't have to like come out all the way of the space, because you don't want to make that big a mess, then it feels overwhelming.
This is Daddy's. I don't know why I have it.
Do you want to give it back to him?
Yeah.
Okay. More rocks, more shells. Let's see, what else have we got? More coins, subway tokens that my grandmother. They were my grandmother's. Look how little these were. Subway tokens. Where's the camera? Super cute. Okay, so that came in a little holder anyway. These are probably things that were mine that he was like, can I have that? So those things I'm putting in one of his little treasure boxes. Can we put those tokens in there?
What?
The subway tokens?
Yeah.
How about these flattened pennies? Put those in there?
Pennies.
Pressed pennies.
I'll take that.
That and that. Okay, what? We're actually almost to the bottom. Another keychain. We have a little keychain collection, which I can appreciate because I love keychains for some reason. Ooh, acorn?
You can...
That can go. Here's its hat. Can that go?
Ooh, it has a hat.
There's another one.
Look, it just has a sombrero.
It has a sombrero.
Look.
Okay, we also need a rag. So the coins there was a huge pile of coins, and they all went into the owl bank. That makes sense, right? How about a little bucket with shells in it? Here, anything you don't want can go over here. So I have my discard pile over here, which I will sort, of course, for zero waste. The acorns will go in the compost. These funny little cute things will go to scrap. Those of us in SF
I made
know
those.
scrap. I know, but they're cute. They can go. You know what? I might keep these. I might keep these in my little. I have a little portfolio downstairs. Jackson's like huge on art projects, so I take it where I can get it. How about this?
You can keep. Whoa.
Disco ring?
Right.
Disco ring?
Right. Yeah, that can.
Okay, these are super cool, but I don't know what we're going to do with them yet. How about, is this an eraser?
Yeah, I think so.
Does it work? You want to use it?
I don't even know if it's an eraser.
Okay.
So
there you go.
that one.
Okay, more rocks. Categorically, we're kind of hitting the, I always go through and see all the categories that we have, and then I'm putting them down on the ground. Maybe I'll add a picture in later so you could see.
Why is this still going?
You got to turn it off.
How?
Press the button underneath. Here's a broken thing.
Keychain. Oh, yeah, that
Shells, beads. Oh, that goes with the keychain.
Yeah.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. We're through that part, and now we are going to go to the other cube of Jackson's treasures and see what's here. Okay, it's more of the same.
Here, Mom. This can
Rocks?
go. I'm just going to keep this part.
Okay, that sounds good. So here's a jar of rocks. We maybe should get a bigger jar and put all the rocks in it. I think that's what we're going to do. So it's all about... Well... So the project started out because Jackson likes rocks, clearly, and he has a bunch of crystals and things that were atoms, I believe, and he has them in this. Here, you want to bring that over? A little plexi tray that we found at a flea market somewhere that fits really perfectly in these IKEA shelves. So he asked me to
Oh, shucks.
he asked me to move them off his desk. And I said, well, hey, why don't we condense the 2 cubes of treasures into 1 cube of treasures and use that? That's great. So that's looking really good there.
And then these can go in there.
Well, we're going to transfer those with the other rocks into a bigger jar, and you can have a jar of
Why
rocks.
can't I just put them in there?
You can. You mean open them up and put them in there?
Yeah.
Sure.
Just spread them out in there.
Totally. Why don't you do that over here so we can get to the other pit?
Alright.
All right. Okay. Now, up here, we have a few more little treasury things that I'm going to ask him if he wants to keep. Fine, if he wants to keep them. Did you make this too?
What? No. That was for Valentine's Day. Jasper made that.
Oh,
He made them for the class.
that's sweet. Do you want it? Okay, cool.
There
So
used
let's,
to be a penny on the bottom.
yeah, to make it stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I have a little hot glue. We can fix that and make it stand up. Super cute little gift from his friend. Oh, here's a snake skin.
I found that at the land on the top at the hill.
So should we put this in a jar? I think it would be cool to
Yeah,
have your
that's
treasure
cool.
so that they don't get
Yeah.
dusty and you can
And
have
that doesn't break because that's delicate.
Right. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, can we?
All right. So I'm gonna leave all the shells and rocks up here because we know we have plenty of those and we know
Okay.
we have a place for those.
You can do something with this jar. I'm
Thank
just
you.
gonna put this back in there.
Okay. No, wait, because we have to clean out down there. So leave it down here for now. Because Jackson, there's a lot more here. So I want you to decide if you want, and the rocks that are here. Do you want all those rocks to go in there too?
What?
Look, there's loads of rocks here. It's a hair elastic.
I think I found
Where
that.
does all this stuff come from? It's so cute.
Probably found that at school.
You probably found it at school.
This.
Do you want it?
What? This? No.
Okay. Put it there. I'll find a home for it. So that's my job, to find a home for all the things he doesn't want, which, as you know, I'm a zero waste fanatic, and I find the next tie is good for all the things that Jackson doesn't want. Right now we just have a few odds and ends that'll probably just get folded into my supplies, but sometimes it's like books or clothes or toys, either broken or not, and they go to SF Smiles here in San
Are
Francisco.
these the $half coins or are these the whole dollar coins?
I don't know. Read it. That was a loud noise. Sorry. So here in San Francisco, we have SF Smiles, which is a wonderful organization. You can find them on my website or hit me up here and I'll tell you all about them. And if you are in another location and you need a place to give stuff, I also have loads of resources. So please just let me know. It's my favorite thing to do, to figure out where to offload things so their next highest good. So so they avoid landfill, of course, but also go to a place that is... Hold on a second. What? We're doing a Facebook Live, honey.
Hi.
We're doing Jackson's treasures and doing a Facebook Live. No, I'm gonna just talk until we're done, and then we'll end it.
Wait, but aren't we gonna do it?
Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. I'm telling
While we're
people.
talking?
Yep. Well, talking is sharing with people what. Hi, Alex. How we do this, how we go through your treasures and decide what to keep, and then how we store them so it's easy to clean, so that you can see them, so that it's not all over the place.
Wow, I'm
Containment. It's all about containment. So for the rocks, we're gonna do
I'm rich.
a jar. Anyway, I was saying about zero waste, so I can find a home. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, do you want this, bud?
What? Yeah.
Okay. All right, so when he's saying yes, I'm just kind of putting them here and keeping them categorized. That's for you to look through. Ooh, look how dusty this is, boo.
My one.
So cool. So you have rocks, but you also have crystals. Do you want to keep them all together? Like that? Is that how you want them in there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You know, I can get a little bit, I don't know, caught up in refining things a little too much. Not too much, but it's up to the client, right? He's my client at the moment, so however he wants. Ooh, more snakeskin. Okay, we're gonna put that in a jar. So you're putting shells and rocks all in there. And I'm having him do this too, because it's really about training him, right? I mean, he was totally up for this. I cannot say he's always been up for this. This is like, this is a real treat for me. I'm super excited about it, if you couldn't tell. Although I love doing this anyway, it all excites me. More rocks, no, more bones.
Oh.
How about these,
Hold on. Daddy.
fun things? So he basically has like a handful of categories. He's got like figurines and, you know, the organic stuff, the rocks, the crystals, the bones and stuff. And I'll just try to keep it contained as much as possible. Make it look pretty, kind of do it dimensionally, like different height of jars so that it looks good and it's easy to clean.
Mom, do you think this Nautilus fossil goes in here?
Yes, I do. I think that's really, really cool. If this were my stuff, I will tell you how I would do it. I would do all the crystals and the kind of special rocks like this Nautilus fossil in here, and I would take out the shells and the regular rocks. No offense to the regular rocks, but like this. Yeah. And we could find a nice big jar. I actually have a big jar that Robin just gave back to me to put the big rocks in there, keep the crystals and the special things in here.
Why I have these little rocks.
Right, and maybe you don't want all those.
Crystal on it.
It's up to you. This is your thing, right? Okay.
I'm just gonna take all the stuff that I
did this break? Looks like this broke. Oof.
Well, it was already up and then we glued it.
Oh boy, that wasn't the part that we glued, was it?
I think so.
Oh. Okay, doesn't matter. Anyway, do you want to fix it?
I'll take out
Keep it broken? Anyway, you get the idea. Does anybody have any questions? I am happy to answer questions for your kids. I get that question a lot. How do you organize with kids and with them, alongside them, and how do you organize their stuff? Because there's so much of it. But it's really the same as you do with adults. With my adult clients, it's having fun with it, pulling the things out, categorizing, having them make decisions. You categorize first because you usually want to see the volume of each category. Because sometimes with adults, for example, if you were to do shoes, they get a little bit like, oh my god, I can't believe I have so many pairs of shoes, and then it helps them to kind of make decisions as to which to keep.
Mom, here's all the stuff that I want to separate. That's a lot of things.
That's all. No, that's great. I have a huge jar, a big jar that we're gonna put all the big rocks in, and we'll do one for the bones as well.
Well, this is not good.
So I don't know. Do I keep going? Do people want to hear more about the process? Do you have questions? I'm going to keep going here, certainly, and then I'm going to clean out because it's really dusty in there. We're kind of doing a big old clean in the house.
With Mr. David.
I love these. This reminds me of...
You can keep it if you want. You can have it.
Can we make this into a necklace for me?
Sure.
It's a little short. Is it too short?
I don't know.
It's a choker. Love that. All right.
Mom, you can keep that.
I can keep that for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. I'm going to make that to a necklace. I want it. I absolutely want it. I want to make it into something. Okay, a few more things up here. Just shells, and here's a piece of wood.
That's like the
Shiv.
thing that I carved with my
I think that was your shiv.
knife. And,
How about this little piece of paper?
Oh, that's a fortune.
You want this?
Sure.
This is a fortune?
Yeah. I don't know what it's from.
Alright, so we'll put that with our little paper treasures. Alright, and then he literally has his treasure box. Which, normally I would go super deep and go into here, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Especially not, you want to do it?
Yeah.
What? What a treat today I'm getting. It's so fun.
Wait, you don't want to do it?
No, I do. I totally do. I just didn't want to push you too hard. How about this? The other thing is not getting into too many things at once. Like I'm actually doing that with him right now.
Oh, this is
where I should just kind of keep it to the category. Like, here are all the rocks. Yeah, hon?
This is crystal dough.
Yes. We're going to wrap it up soon.
Crystal dough.
Okay. Sweetie, if you want them in there, put them in there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. What's that?
I don't know. It's just like a thing that I found. I think it was a button or something.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yes. See, that's where I would put it. What?
Who knew? Who would have thunk it?
Yeah. So it's like with like,
Ooh, look,
I make it sound simple. I don't know if people
$2
find it simple. To me, it is kind of simple. Like, all like with like.
Mom.
And shapes in different, like he's got ticket stubs and money, $2 bills. We're rich. In the long treasure box so that each category fits into its things. I hadn't done the jars before with the rocks and the bones. I'm kind of excited about that. And I'm also excited to have the treasures to one box because I see this when we first come in his room, and every day, you know, I come in, it's like right where my eye line goes. And that's another thing that's so important when you're organizing is to have the things in your sight line. Have them
Mom,
be something you
this?
feel good about. Yes, I definitely want that. That's super sweet. The little keychain, the silly little keychain thing that we got kindergarten that I was kind of mad that they just sent. I didn't order this thing, but it's cute now that we have it.
Why were you mad?
Because it was like a plasticky thing that they made you pay for when you didn't even order it. I wouldn't have ordered it, but now that I have it, it's kind of cute. So, just because of the plasticky thing, I like having a keychain with its face on it, but not the plasticky part. Okay, we are actually done with that section.
Okay.
Oops. Something broke. One less thing. Okay, here are the last of our odds and ends to look
I'm
at.
gonna put this in this
And
jar.
then I guess I'll wrap it
I'm
up.
putting this in this jar.
Okay. Honey, you don't have to shout.
Okay.
Okay. All right, here's some more odds and ends for him to look at. A fortune. And we're going to wipe that out because it's super dusty and put the stuff back in. And I guess I'll send a picture. I should have taken a before picture. I'm always so bad at that because I get excited to get started. Let's go longer. Well, I think we should wrap it up, yeah? I don't know how long it's been so far.
Boo-hoo.
If anybody's interested.
Look, wait, it says.
Sure is fun for me.
No, it doesn't. Oh, wait, did I just take a picture?
I don't know what you did, babe. Please don't touch the screen.
Yeah, I think I took a
Please
picture.
don't do it.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so any questions, hit me up. Let me know if this is helpful, guys. I'm trying to feel my way here and see if you know, if these are helpful for you. I like doing them, so I hope that they are. But I also don't want to do it if it's not helpful to anybody. So stop touching the screen. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
I'll say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay. Bye, everybody. Thanks so much for paying attention. Thanks for watching. Let me know. Give me some feedback.